You won't believe what $3 can actually buy on Temu. I'm talking about laser pointers powerful enough to light up a barn across the street, organizers that completely transform your car or shower, and gadgets that make cleaning, cooking, and even camping way easier. I've dug through dozens of cheap Temu finds and narrowed it down to 19 insanely useful gadgets that are actually worth your money. Some of these might just blow your mind. Let's jump in. Number 19. These lint rollers are intended to eliminate pet hair and lint from furniture and other surfaces. They have an extensible handle that measures up to 43.3 inches. Each roller consists of one roll of strong adhesive sheet and 2 rolls of plain replacement sheets. This makes them suited for a wide range of cleaning jobs in pet-friendly households. The extensible handle lets you to clean hard-to-reach locations. Number 18. Cool mist humidifiers deliver moisture to the air. They are intended to run softly, making them ideal for bedrooms and bedtime use. They can also be used as desktop air diffusers. They're powered by USB and include adjustable brightness illuminations. This makes them suitable for usage in a variety of environments, including workstations, houses, and workplaces, particularly during the dry seasons. Number 17. This little knife is meant to be carried on a keychain. It has a folding blade and also works as a bottle opener. It is composed of stainless steel, which ensures durability. This makes it appropriate for everyday carry or outdoor use. Its small size makes it convenient to keep on hand for varied purposes. The new bottle opener function increases its usefulness. Number 16. Do you want to manage your automobile and make road trips more convenient? This car back seat organizer has a foldable tray, cup holders, and a dedicated phone slot. It's made of long-lasting ABS plastic and is intended to fit most automobiles. This serves as a convenient surface for food, drinks, and other items when traveling. When not in use, the foldable tray is easy to store. Number 15. This gizmo turned out to be much cooler than I had anticipated. It's a simple green laser pointer, but it's far more powerful than I expected. When I was exploring Temu for this film, I came across this laser pointer with 2 different modes and the insane claim of being able to shine to the top of the Eiffel Tower. And I thought it couldn't be so powerful. And if you turn this component in the front, you'll notice, if I aim it down, that you can vary the pattern. However, here's where things get crazy. If you pull the front half off, you can now unleash the full strength of this laser, which is absolutely insane. I tried it last night. You'll probably see right now. Check out how awesome this is. Take a peek from up close on my terrace. Look how bright it is on that house. Plus, there's some sort of barn there. Look at how bright it is. It even reflects underneath it. You can see a bright spot. Some trees there are beautifully shining. You can see a bright spot on the trees. Number 14, rubber band launching toy. This toy allows you to launch rubber bands into the air. For the price of $2.98, this is really durable. It's roughly half plastic and half steel. You can also fold this together so that people can't see what it is and attach it to your keychain. According to the website, this has increased to 5 meters. So loading this should be rather simple. Simply place it beneath one of the cogwheels and our toy is loaded. Let's take a test shot. Oh, that shoots far. Let's try it with a can of Monster. Number 13. Want to get rid of dust and filth quickly? This handheld vacuum cleaner is cordless and meant to be portable. It has a powerful suction of 17,000 Pascal. It features a brushless motor for economical operation and has a runtime of up to 30 minutes on a single charge. This makes it ideal for cleaning automobiles, upholstery, and other locations where using a corded vacuum is problematic. Number 12. The small makeup mirror has 2 magnification levels, 10x and 1x. It includes built-in LED lights with 3 color settings that replicate various lighting conditions. The brightness is adjustable, providing for personalized illumination during makeup application. It's rechargeable, making it ideal for travel. This portable mirror offers both detailed close-ups with the 10x magnification and a standard reflection on the 1x side. Number 11. This backpack is meant to keep electronic accessories organized when traveling. It has a double-layer design with individual sections for various objects. It is intended to keep cords, chargers, phones, power banks, and hard drive organized and safe. This minimizes tangling and damage during transportation. Number 10. The chopsticks are composed of pure titanium and have a polished appearance. They have a hollow construction, making them light. They're also foldable, increasing their portability. The design incorporates a non-slip material to improve grip. Their longer length allows for more comfortable handling. This makes them appropriate for both outside activities such as camping and daily use at home. Number 9. If you're seeking for lightweight portable cutlery for outdoor adventures, this 3-in-1 titanium tableware set is the answer. The spoon, fork, and knife are all made of pure titanium, and the lightweight and compact form makes it great for camping and traveling. This kit includes necessary items for hikers and travelers without adding much weight to their packs. Number 8. This rechargeable fabric shaver gets rid of lint and pills from clothes, furniture, and more. It contains a digital display that indicates how much battery is remaining. It has 3 extra large blade epilators. It can be recharged and used several times. It's simple to use and will keep your garments looking their best. Number 7. Tired of struggling to crack eggs cleanly? This cooking gadget has 2 tasks in one. It opens eggs and separates yolks and whites. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability and ease of cleaning. This tool simplifies the egg preparation process for baking and cooking. It offers a simple and quick method for separating eggs. Number 6. This hand-pressed automated cup washer is meant to provide a quick and easy way to rinse cups. It comprises a connected connection and a water pipe for simple installation. The washer works by pressing a cup down on the mechanism, causing a spray of water to rinse the interior. This is a convenient and fast technique to clean cups without scrubbing. Number 5. Looking for a more efficient technique to clean various surfaces? This electric spin scrubber has 2 speed settings and 8 interchangeable brush heads. It includes an LED display for convenient operation. It recharges via USB. This flexible cleaning tool is ideal for floors, windows, bathrooms, automobiles, and other surfaces. The spinning brushes provide a vigorous cleaning action. Number 4. This adapter connects to a faucet and modifies the water flow. It provides 3 different water modes. It is intended to fit most kitchen sink and bathroom basin taps. This makes it an adaptable replacement attachment. It is designed to conserve water by controlling the flow. This adapter offers several water flow options. Number 3. This compact flashlight employs a high-power LED to emit a brilliant light ranging from 500 to 1,000 lumens. It has an adjustable beam, which allows you to direct the light as desired. It is rechargeable by a micro USB port. This makes it a versatile and powerful lighting tool for a variety of applications. The adjustable beam provides both focused and wide-angle illumination. Number 2. This water bottle is meant to be portable and collapsible. It has a capacity of 800 ml and is manufactured of BPA-free silicone. It has a built-in filter, and this makes it ideal for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and survival. The collapsible shape saves room when the bottle is empty. The filter allows access to cleaner water. Now, before I get to number 1, here are 2 extremely crucial gadgets that you should look into. If you need a versatile tool for peeling fruits and vegetables, this multifunctional manual peeler is the solution. It is designed to peel pears and potatoes and has a stainless steel blade that is suited for both home and professional use. It offers a rapid and efficient method of removing peels. It is a wonderful tool for those who enjoy cooking. Tired of not knowing what temperature the water is? This faucet attachment has LED lights that change color depending on the water temperature. It revolves 360 degrees for convenient positioning. It is powered by the flow of water and does not require any batteries. This makes it a distinctive and useful addition in kitchens and bathroom faucets. The color-changing lights give a visual indicator of the water temperature. Now it's time for number 1. Looking for a strategy to arrange your schedule? This kit contains a magnetic dry erase calendar whiteboard, a monthly planner, and 3 daily organizers. It's made of PET plastic and has text in English. It includes 5 markers for writing on the whiteboard surface. This set can be used at home or in the office and provides a visual way to manage appointments, assignments, and deadlines. That was just the beginning. More wild Temu finds coming soon. Smash that like, hit subscribe, and tell me your favorites in the comments. Catch you next time.